IMPP stock for the last trading session, the session of the 7th of June 2022, it closed at $0.59, a gain of 9.46%, 82 million shares crossed the tape. And over the last 10 trading sessions, we can actually see that it's actually trading slightly below its high over that last 10 trading sessions. So the highest of that over that period is actually $0.61, even though of course the trajectory is an upward one. So the momentum is a strong for the stock, is a strongly bullish one, in extending bullishly. And I think also the unbalanced volume indicator is also indicating that buyers are more active than sellers, evidently. Obviously this is a stock that is associated with crude, but it is not it transports crude and probably natural gas. But if crude is not going up or down, it should be in business. Whether this crude prices are spiking or not, it should still be in business regardless. That's the good thing about the stock. That's a very good thing about it. And but some market participants will always want to associate a spike with the stock. Sometimes they I don't know whether it's but whatever it is, whatever market participants want to do, that's what they're gonna do. If you want to argue against the fundamentals, against the wisdom of anything they're doing, it's not the best thing. Because if they put their money in it, then it's going to go in the direction they want. So is IMPP a good stock to buy? I think fundamentally, yes, it's a good stock to buy, because it's in the business of transporting crude natural gas. That business is still very much relevant, still ongoing. But at the same time, it's also a growing business. From time to time they will need funds, and when market participants get involved, drive up the stock, the price of the stock, they may want to issue. They may want to raise funds and then dilute some more. So is Imperial Petroleum a good buy? Yeah, fundamentally it looks like it. So you just have to watch what's going on. Don't be in it strictly for the long term and don't move. You have to be flexible, take the money out if need be, and get back in again and all that stuff. So it's a stock that is still growing, hasn't matured. I think it was just established in 2021 or something like that, not long ago. So is IMPP an oil stock? It's an oil. Well, market participants are referring to it as an oil stock. So like I said earlier on, you can't, where the money is, the money controls things. So if the money is saying that it's on an oil stock, you can't argue against that. Unless the money is saying otherwise. But I think the money is by and large saying it's an oil stock. It is obviously associated with oil, but transporting oil, so you can't argue against that. So is Imperial Oil a buy or sell? Imperial Petroleum and Imperial Oil, I think they're quite different. So why did CEI drop? Okay, we're not covering CEI in this one, but let's quickly see whether we can find a target for IMPP stock based on what it has done as of the last trading session, which was the 6th of June, which was the 7th of June. So let's take this up high of 0.597 and take this low of let's take this low of 0.564, 597, 564. It doesn't look like a huge difference. Okay, let's see. Let's try to get a bit more ambitious. Let's get a bit more ambitious. Take this high of 0.61 and then take this low of 0.47. Okay, 61 and 47. So we have 0.14 multiplied by 2.618. We have 0.366. So we added to the closing price of 0.59. we have 1.544. So is that realistic? Quite ambitious, 0.1544. That will take it way above. Somewhere here it's going to be 0.154, somewhere here. So that will be above its 50-day moving average, and this will be where it was as of the end of March this year. Okay, so see what you make of IMPP stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.